To get started, launch the IMO app on your phone. Then go to the chat where you received a message in a different language. Next, press and hold the message you wish to translate. A menu will appear at the top, showing the translate button marked with an A symbol. Tap on it. Now select the language you want to translate the message into, then tap OK. IMO will then begin translating the message. After a few seconds, the message will be automatically translated into your chosen language. If you tap the symbol next to Translated by Google within the message, it will revert to the original text. Tapping the symbol again will translate the message back into your chosen language. This feature allows you to easily understand messages in any language without leaving the chat. So that's how you can translate messages on IMO easily.